How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today we have a 1000 watt power generator. This unit will be able to power up many devices. It has 4 USB flashlights, iPad, phones, you name it, anything that requires USB. So we have 4. So right now we charge a flashlight, my camera, and many other devices. Now, 2 15 amps, 110 volts. My case right now, which is charging our scooter so we can have some fun with the scooter. But to make things even better, I have 2 solar panels. Now each solar panel, they are rated for 100 watts. Now these panels are perfect combination for this unit. So I have 2 and I put 2 in series. I hooked up that one with my second panel, so total of 200 watts right into your unit. So now my battery is always charged if you're in camping for many days. With this, you guarantee you always will have power every day. So we can see here the 4 USB. We can see here right now I'm charging through the solar panel, and we have also even 12 volt output to plug it in any device, let's say from the car, vacuum, or whatever you require there. So right now we have the 110 volt live volts. So let's put the power meter there. So we see the 109 volts, that's per 110. And also here I can see, it's a little hard to see with the sun, but I check and I see the battery is being charged through the solar panels.